done?
Yeah.
Whiskey! Come here, Whiskey.
Why?
He's so big and confused.
Ow! He's not gay. He's a dog.
I said big and confused.
Uh-huh.
Confused means he's confused, not gay. If I meant gay, I'd say gay. Gay, gay, gay.
Vagina.
Penis, penis, penis.
Vagina, vagina, vagina.
I can only spread my legs so far.
Remember Miss Perfetti?
Mm-hmm.
Probably like 6.
I remember Mrs. Confetti, too. She was nice. That's
so
Mom.
hungry.
I can't believe those balloons are still up there.
I'm hungry. What? I didn't have pizza with that. It was gummy. But I threw it away. Oh, you stop. I hate that.
It's probably just because it was wrapped up and sitting for a week.
Well, I ate half of it and you got half.
Dustin ate 2 pieces yesterday.
Oh, good for Dustin.
Couldn't have gone bad in the day.
It still tasted funny to me. Speaking of the devil.
Of course, he used ranch dressing and stuff. Baby.